Monster Jam fans, check out this retro Iron Man Monster Jam Mattel Monster Jam series year 2010 Iron Man. This was when Mattel was making the Monster Jam trucks. Awesome car. There is the back. Iron Man, my favorite Marvel superhero. Iron Man, awesome. They seem to be just a smidge smaller than the new Monster Jam series by Spin Master, but not much. Here is, you can see right here. Here's a comparison. The front tires are just a little bit longer. Okay. Iron Man. Awesome truck here, though. 2010 Mattel Monster Jam Series Iron Man. Go to my eBay store, X2 Man Cave Collectibles. There's a link in the comment section down below. You can buy Monster Jam trucks in my eBay store. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Monster Jam videos. And give this video a big thumbs up for Iron Man.